The 2025 Honda Goldwing is here, and not exactly sure what Honda was thinking.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. I wanted to be one of the first to get a video out to you on this brand new 2025 Honda Goldwing, the 50th anniversary edition of the Honda Goldwing. Congratulations to Honda Power Sports for 50 years of making what I consider to be the best motorcycle ever built, certainly the best touring bike ever built. Now, a little confusion. I'm gonna tell you right up front, if you were hoping for a brand new generation of Honda Goldwing, you're going to be disappointed, because this is basically the same motorcycle that we've had since 2018. Honda did not completely redesign or anything. There is one important change I'll talk about in a little bit, and of course we're going to get some new colors, we're going to get some anniversary badging. You'll get all these pictures on the screen. I'm going to talk about the colors, but what I don't quite understand is why it took so long for Honda to announce this new year model, because normally we get an announcement in November and the models will start shipping in January, but they didn't even wait. They just waited till today to even announce the 2025. And I guess we had kind of hoped maybe it was taking them longer because they were making some pretty dramatic changes to the Goldwing, but that's not the case. This is, in essence, the same Goldwing. Now, let's talk about the difference in price. The price has gone up about $500 over 2024. I'll go over all the different prices with you here in a minute. There are some different colors. If you want a non-tour Goldwing, that is only available in a metallic black, a matte metallic black color. I haven't seen that. I don't know what it looks like. I'm anxious to see it. I'm not a big fan of matte finishes in general. Now, as far as the, and I need to tell you right up front, I haven't even shaved today. I was in such a hurry to get this video out. I was just getting ready to step in the shower. And then I got an email from my friend over at Southern Honda, Kyle, who sent me this information. And that's why forgive me for my appearance. Okay, let's talk about, I already talked about the price. Now the Tour model, well, let's get back here and see if I can pull up some pricing for you. Okay, the non-Tour model, basic non-Tour model, 6-speed transmission, $25,200. These should be available. All of these models should be available sometime in March. 2025 50th anniversary Goldwing DCT non-Tour model, $26,200. So you basically have $1,000 extra for a DCT. Okay, a new color this year. On the Tour model only, 2025 50th anniversary Goldwing Tour, Bordeaux red metallic, and Eternal Gold. The Eternal Gold I'm not sure about yet as far as how I feel about it. But those non-DCT 6-speed transmission models are $29,200. That's about $500 more than 2024. The 2025 Goldwing Tour DCT comes in the same two colors, Bordeaux red or Eternal Gold, and it's $30,200. So just over $30,000 for the Tour DCT in either of those colors. If you want an airbag model, you can get that. Bordeaux red metallic is the only color it comes in. I think that's the preferred color for me. I like that color. Of the two, I think I prefer the Bordeaux red. $33,500. Now, what's very weird to me, and this is why I say I don't know what Honda was thinking, you can get a 2025 Honda Goldwing that is a non-anniversary badged edition. So if you don't care anything about having the 50th anniversary badge on the Goldwing, you can get that in a light silver metallic. Non-DCT model, $28,700. DCT, $29,000. $700. So, a little strange. So basically, I think they took a 2024 Goldwing, painted it silver, and they're selling it for the same price. So if you don't care about the anniversary badging, you can get a 2025 Goldwing, I think, for the same price as last year. Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments down below. But that's what it looks like to me, because I thought the base price last year for a tour model was $28,700. Anyway, and the silver is nice. It's a light silver, but it doesn't have any of the badging on it. It doesn't have any accents or anything like that. It's just basically a silver Goldwing. I find that to be very strange. Here is the notable difference for 2025 as far as features go, because it's not much. I will say the gold, the eternal gold that has these kind of a, I don't know, let me look at it. It's kind of a brownish accent, almost the same color. The accents are about the same color as that root beer colored brown Goldwing that came out the first year, which I love. I think it was only available on the non-tour model. That was one of the best colors Honda ever had. I wish they had made the whole bike that color. But this gold, eternal gold, has those accents on the saddlebag, on the side of the trunk. Kind of looks like an old Aspencade from the, I guess it was the 80s or 90s. And to me, it looks a little dated. Maybe it will grow on me. I don't know. You tell me what you think in the comments down below. But it's got, I think there's some other graphics in the color. It's not a solid color. It's like a burnished color. It kind of, a gradient goes out to a darker brown around the edges. So it's kind of interesting. It looks like it might even have a little bit of a design in it. After I recorded this, I went back and looked at these images closer. I zoomed in. They're not very good images, but you can see there are some very small little Goldwing emblems embedded into the graphic elements of the trim, which is actually very cool. That gold color, I don't know. Some of you have been wanting a gold Honda Goldwing, and you've got it. The gold model also, which is a little strange, has a silver accent in the very front on the garnish. The windshield garnish has like a silver accent on that, which I find to be a little unusual. Now, the Bordeaux red metallic, I think, is really nice. It's a little bit darker than the current red that Honda's been offering. It looks to me like it's a little darker, and it's got some really nice black and gold accents. I think that's the better looking bike. One thing the gold Goldwing has that the other models don't have is it has the chrome exhaust pipes and the chrome, the silver engine, silver wheels. So if you're a fan of that, you can still get that. I don't know if that's going to be available in Europe, because my understanding is the EU is prohibiting anything chrome. Maybe it's not chrome. Maybe it's just a polished metal. I don't know. So anyway, that is that. Now, as far as badging, there is no anniversary badge that I can see on the front of the motorcycle like there was in the past. On the 30th anniversary, we had a little badge that said 30th anniversary. I don't see that on these models. The only badging I see is on the center panel switch. The center panel switch right in front of the gas tank. It says 50th anniversary, and I think it says since 1975. Also on the smart key, there is a 50th anniversary logo on that. So that is basically your color choices. The silver model is all blacked out as well, and it's nice looking. I like the silver, the light silver, and some of you like silver bikes. So that is the 2025 Honda Goldwing. Now here's the biggest change they made, really the only change they made, and that is that it appears that all of these bikes are now equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay. I will read what it says, and I think that is a really huge thing. Is that worth an extra $500? Not sure. It could be, because that's pretty cool. I don't know if there's another motorcycle that has wireless Apple CarPlay built in. So that you know, Honda likes to do these little incremental upgrades, and I think that's what we're seeing here. This is a evolutionary model, not revolutionary by any stretch. It's not what a lot of us had hoped for as far as a ton of new features. They're also going to be offering some new accessories that are surrounding the anniversary model and the anniversary edition. I'll put some of those on the screen. A nice little desk model. There's a coffee table book. There is a motorcycle mat that your motorcycle can sit on that has 50th anniversary on there. So they've got some pretty cool stuff, some toolboxes and materials that are kind of just stuff to look at more than anything. That is your 2025 Honda Goldwing. I am very curious to know what you guys think about this, and also I would appreciate it. Put your comments in down below. That really does help our YouTube rankings, by the way. The more comments, the better. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps my YouTube rankings. And let me know your thoughts on this 2025 Honda Goldwing. Is this going to be enough to get you to move up from a 2018 or 2019 or 2020 into a 2025 Honda Goldwing? It still has the 3-year warranty. Everything else, I think, from what I can see, is the same. I'll put a lot of this stuff on the screen for you to look at, but I'm really, really curious to know what you guys think about this brand new 2025 Goldwing. Now, hopefully, when they come out in March, they're supposed to be available in March. I may be heading to Southern Honda, where we'll build one of these new models up and we'll take a good close look at it. I want to check out these paint jobs, this anniversary badging, and all this stuff. And that may be coming in the month of March. As soon as we get one in, I'll figure out a way to get out to Tennessee and maybe we'll build one of these things up, uncrate it, take a look at it firsthand. You might be the first ones to get a look at the new 2025 Goldwing in person, actually a real motorcycle, not just pictures on the internet. So you want to make sure, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know when we come out with these videos. That's it for now. Put your comments down below. Check our other videos. And until I see you on the next Cruiseman's Garage, remember, ride often, but ride safe.